Hey y'all, how you doing? Curdy Cool is back on the scene once again. Have I got another great show for you guys today, yo? It came to my mind, why not do a show talking about these gun laws with these kids, yo? All this stuff that's going on with these kids packing guns at the school. How these kids getting all these guns, y'all, and packing weapons to school? What is that all about? Don't you guys think that they need to stricken the laws here, y'all? Don't y'all think they should put some fines on these kids if they are caught packing these guns at school, yo? You guys heard about that little old situation that happened out here in Texas, yo? That was cold-blooded, wasn't it? This guy just walk into the school, yo, and shoot up some people out here. That is not only just happening here in Houston, yo. This kind of stuff is going on all over the place, yo. What is going on with these people out here losing their little old mind, y'all? People is so stressed out, got a whole lot of issues on their mind, until the first thing they do is grab their little weapon, y'all, and go running into a school or a church or some big old crowd or something, y'all. To Curdy Cool, that's the worst mistake they could have made, y'all. When they approved this gun thing, y'all, for everybody to be getting a gun and everybody to be packing a gun, everybody walking around with weapons, everybody, y'all. Y'all don't know who gonna fall out and who gonna pull out and look the wrong way, and it be a wild, wild west up in here, baby. Y'all got to be real careful, y'all. Everybody packing guns, y'all. Everybody looks like they about to reach down, on the floor, y'all. They driving in the cars, y'all. Yeah, driving in the cars, y'all. Mess around. Be driving and looking over the wrong way. Just kind of look over. See somebody sitting up in the car, y'all. See, that's why, Curdy Cool, I never be looking over in the car at people. You don't know what they be thinking about, yo. People be like pulling right up on the side of the next man, eyeballing and looking all over in people's cars, yo. People be like, what? They get spooked, yo. What? Next thing you know, they want to reach down, baby. Oh, okay. What is this food? What's on this food mind? What? You taking me for somebody else? Huh? Yeah, y'all know what I mean? But this is the deal, y'all. There's too many people out here packing guns. They done really let the cat out the bag with all these people packing guns, y'all. Look like we got a World War 5, 6, 7, 8 right here in the neighborhood. Everybody got 4 or 5 guns, y'all. If the war break out, all the people in the town, in the city, baby, got guns, all kind of guns, y'all. I'm talking about rifles, automatics, pistols, Uzis, all kind of shit Curdy Cool ain't never heard of, y'all. When are they gonna do something about these guns with these kids, y'all? This stuff is so out of control. I tell you, they talking about they gonna buy back a whole lot of the guns, y'all, and try to get a whole lot of guns off the street. How you gonna get a whole lot of the guns off the street when they already got too many already on the street? Man, I tell you, you gonna try to undo something that is very well overly did. Too many kids walking around with guns right in the schools, yo. It makes you wonder. 15-year-old, 16-year-old walking around with guns in their pockets, in their little backpacks, y'all. Y'all better be careful out there in these schools, y'all. Y'all better be careful how you talk to people in these schools, y'all. I mean, you get like in a little old confrontation. Next thing you know, there goes the backpack. You know what I mean? Y'all better be careful out here. Sometimes it's best to say less and don't say nothing at all to nobody out here, y'all. They out here bumping their gums. Don't even look at them. Don't even say nothing. Just walk away, moving cool and just kind of ease on the way, baby. And don't get caught up in that big old mess, y'all. Because there's too many people out here packing too many guns, y'all. And everybody wants to pull out a gun, y'all. So, this is just my little show today. This is just CURTIEECOOL'S feelings about it. It's just too many guns out here. And to see the kids out here packing guns, y'all. You mean to tell me that the parents got so many guns in the house until they don't even notice that the kids done took one of the guns, y'all? They got so many guns in the house, y'all. Some people, they got a whole big old case full of guns, all kind of different guns, y'all, just stacked up in the house. The kids slip in, take one to school. Nobody never noticed it, that it slipped out the house, y'all, until somebody come up, you know what. Hey, y'all, CURTIEECOOL in the house. You guys leave your comment and tell CURTIEECOOL what y'all think about this with these kids packing guns, y'all. Do you guys feel safe about that? Do you think that they should stricken the laws here? Or do you think they should start talking about this stuff all over the television? Whatever it takes to buy back all the weapons. But of course, CURTIEECOOL says they will never buy back all the weapons because the people have gotten too many weapons in their little hands, y'all. So you can never buy back all the weapons. I don't care how much money you are willing to pay these people off for all these different types of weapons, y'all. But the thing with CURTIEECOOL is too many youngsters are packing too many guns, y'all. At school, at work, at the churches, just anywhere, y'all. Walking in the grocery stores, packing guns, y'all. I mean, everybody want to be a Jesse James Wild Wild West, baby. I mean, I'm like, CURTIEECOOL be like, oh shit, what's gonna happen next around here? Everybody packing, baby. Everybody got something hid away or stashed away in a secret little old hid away, y'all. I'll be like, oh man, don't say nothing to nobody. Don't say nothing to nobody. You better not say nothing. Hey, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. CURTIEECOOL, I just had to come back and share my feelings about how I feel about this. I think they made a terribly bad mistake, you know, approving this gun law with all these people, no less than for all these kids to be packing guns. I'm talking about 10, 11, 12, 13 years old, packing guns, packing pistols. I mean, I'm like, I don't understand this one. How could the parents not know that their kids is packing guns, yo. Packing their guns at that. Y'all know what I mean? You might have it in a safe, but somehow the kids is getting into your safe and packing a gun or a pistol at the school, y'all. Hey, y'all, CURTIEECOOL. Smooth and cool. Back again. I hope you guys had a beautiful Memorial Day. I mean, I tell you, like CURTIEECOOL said before, it's 100 degrees, y'all. CURTIEECOOL had to come on back into the house and just chill out. But it's moving cool once again. Hey, y'all be good in the neighborhood. CURTIEECOOL set it off. Up in here, up in here. CURTIEECOOL set it off. Up in here, up in here. Hey, y'all leave your comments and tell CURTIEECOOL what y'all think about this with these kids packing guns. Y'all share your feelings out here. Y'all know what I mean? All you newcomers out there who is tuning in to CURTIEECOOL, y'all be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell, y'all. Share my videos. I mean, come on now. The more people talk about this stuff, the better off it is. Let's get the word out there. No more kids packing no more guns. I'm telling you, buy out all the guns. If it's only just for fun, buy out all the guns. Yeah, because this stuff is kind of like getting out of control with the kids with the guns. Y'all know what I mean? Hey, y'all, CURTIEECOOL. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get ready to end this little show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out CURTIEECOOL. Y'all have another one. Another beautiful day. CURTIEECOOL, y'all. Okay, bye.